Hey guys, it's Michaela and you are watching FunsizedStyle. For today's video, I honestly didn't know if I would be filming it or not because it is my Walmart Beauty Box Winter 2020. Yes, you heard that right. Winter 2020. And this box is way beyond late. I'm not intentionally filming this late. I literally just received this in the mail today and it's almost May 1st. I was like, what is going on? And I thought it was kind of odd because I saw some other posts about people getting their winter Walmart beauty boxes and I hadn't gotten mine yet. I went on YouTube and seen if anybody else had uploaded their unboxings for the season's box, the winter box, and a few people had, and they said they received their winter 2020 box super late. So I'm clearly not the only one that's getting their box extremely late. I know everything with coronavirus, the shipping is kind of crazy right now. To be honest, as it gets closer to May, I didn't think that I would even get a winter 2020 box this year, but I was like, I'm not going to go through the hassle of calling Walmart just to find out about my $5 beauty box. So I just kind of waited, and literally the day that I was at least thinking about like messaging them on social media, I got the box. I feel like everything with the coronavirus like kind of went down like end of February, early March, and that's still almost like not in winter time anymore. So I don't really know what the excuse is for the delay of the winter 2020 box, but it is what it is, and at least I'm filming it for you guys and I'm doing the best that I can. I literally just got it today, so even though it's delayed, I hope you guys still enjoy this video, and I'll have a link down in the description below where you can sign up to Walmart Beauty Box. If you're interested in subscribing, it is a free box, but you pay $5 shipping and handling every season, so it's technically $20 a year. It's been a really hit or miss kind of box for me. It's been not a super great box for me the past few seasons. I'm not sure what this box will hold. I've contemplated canceling it so many times, and I remember that it's literally only $5 per box, and it provides more content for me to film for you guys, and I love talking all things beauty and skincare, and so it provides another opportunity to do that. I just can't get myself to hit that cancel button yet, but we'll see what this box holds. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get into my winter 2020 Walmart beauty box. Okay, wow, everything is pretty straightforward in the box. Everything's like so meticulously lined up in this box, and you can pretty much see everything. But that's okay, I still want to go into the products individually. It says, here's to self-care and skincare, to an inner glow, to an inner and outer glow. Here's to good hair days and don't care days. Here's to you. Since this is a $5 box, you can't obviously expect anything too amazing. Pretty much all the products are sample sizes, so I always say this in every Walmart Beauty Box unboxing, but it really is a great box if you travel often. I don't travel as much as I would like to, especially given the current state of the world. I don't travel at all right now, and neither do most people, but I'm just saying in general, it is a really great box if you travel often. Keep that in mind too. The first product that I pull out of my winter 2020 box is by the brand Dove, and this is the dry conditioner, and it softens and smooths without water. I have never heard of a dry conditioner in my entire life. It says, leaves hair nourished and touchably soft. See if there's any directions. Shake can before and during use. Hold can 8 to 12 inches away from the hair. Spray it from the mid-lengths to ends to condition hair. But like, how do you use this? I don't understand. Like, I feel so out of the loop. I've never heard of a dry conditioner. I need to look into how to use a product like this. Is it basically just a dry shampoo? I have no idea. I'm probably not going to be using it anyways because of the ingredients. I'm not a super fan of Dove products for the most part. However, I do want to say I recently finally found a aluminum-free deodorant that works for me. It is by Dove. Dove created an aluminum-free deodorant, and I have tried about 8 or 9 different aluminum-free, all-natural deodorants, and none of them worked for me. I know that Dove came out with an aluminum-free deodorant, but I'm still not a fan of like all the ingredients, but at least it's a deodorant that works for me and is aluminum-free, so at least there's one bad ingredient gone. I know it's probably not the best option for me, but again, I've tried 8 or 9 aluminum-free, all-natural deodorants that haven't worked for me, and the Dove aluminum-free deodorant is literally the only one that I've found works for me. Maybe if you guys want me to do a video talking about the different brands that I've tried, the different brands that I've tried for an all-natural deodorant, let me know. I feel like it won't really be much of a video. I don't know if that's something you guys would be interested in. Part of me wonders if I should start like a blog on Medium or something, because I feel like there's certain things I want to talk about. It's kind of weird for an Instagram post. I don't know how I would really describe it in a YouTube video without it being only 30 seconds long. But I also really like doing videos because it's interactive, but something like deodorants, that didn't work for me. I don't know, I just feel like that's more of a blog post, because all I could really say is like the brand and the fact that it didn't work for me. I don't know, let me know how you guys would like me to approach that, because I'd like to discuss it, because maybe you guys have suggestions on an all-natural deodorant that actually works. But yeah, I've tried so many different brands, I don't want to repeat all the times what brands I've tried. Even though I am not going to be using this individual product and I'll be passing it along, I still want to look into this, because I have never for the life of me heard of a dry conditioner, and I'm just very intrigued by it, and I want to learn how it works and what you use it for. The next product in my box is by Bosch and Loam. This is like, looks like way too much of a fancy brand for me, so I probably pronounced that totally wrong, but it's the Lumify Brominide Tarte Ophthalmic Solution Redness Reliever Eye Drops. Works in 1 minute, lasts up to 8 hours. I'll show you guys what they look like. Kind of find that odd they included eye drops. I don't know, I just find that something like not super appropriate to put in a beauty box, because to me it's like a, not like a medicine, but I don't know, I guess it is. I don't get redness in my eyes, and if I start having that much redness, like, I need to go to the doctor and see like an eye doctor, not just take like this over-the-counter stuff. Does anyone find that a little bit concerning? Maybe I'm thinking about it too much. Here's what they look like if you're curious. Just a really tiny sample of some redness reliever eye drops. Again, if you're experiencing that much redness in your eyes, you should probably figure out the cause, because when something abnormal in your body happens, there's usually pretty much always a cause, and you want to find out what the cause is, so that you're not just band-aiding the problem without knowing the cause and randomly using eye drops that you don't need to be using. I'm probably just overthinking this, but this is definitely the most strangest product I've ever received in a Walmart beauty box. Why would you just give me eye drops? I guess I'm not understanding. I way overthink these things sometimes, you guys. I am probably just gonna throw this out, because I wouldn't want to like give somebody just medicine. I don't know. This is... Alright, moving on. The next product that we have is by Colgate, and this is the new Optic White Renewal High Impact White Toothpaste, and it has 3% hydrogen peroxide in it. Claims to be their best whitening toothpaste. So I'm actually going to be filming a current favorites video soon, and one of the products in that video is a different toothpaste, and it's by the brand Hello, and it's a much more natural brand, and I prefer, that's the toothpaste that I've been using for about 2 years now. That's what I use every day. I don't use big name brands like Colgate, again, because I am not comfortable with the ingredients that are in Colgate toothpaste. I will be passing this along. This is just like a huge flop, you guys. I feel really bad, but I like to give you guys my honest opinion, and I haven't switched over every product in my daily routine of like a perfect natural product, and I probably never will. Simple things like toothpaste and hair products, some that I use every day, I have made the switch. The way that I justify it is some switches are better than doing nothing. Makeup is something that I will probably never totally switch over to, because I just love trying all different brands and all different products, and regardless, and I don't wear makeup every day. I wear most days, but I don't wear every single day. Probably, again, just doing wrongful justification. I'm not a perfect, non-toxic wellness person at all. I'm just an average gal that really loves beauty products and all things skincare, and just try to do my best making those choices for myself. I don't know what that rant was, but toothpaste was one that I was able to make the switch really easy, because it's really just toothpaste. Anyways, moving on. This is super fun. Speaking of makeup, this is by NYX, and this is the Makeup Crew. Ooh, it's a 2-piece set. I wonder what's in here. This is super fun. We have 2 lip products. If you guys know anything about NYX, these 2 together are way over the value of $5. This in itself pays for the box, and you guys know I love NYX. It's one of my favorite makeup brands. I love, love, love their soft matte lip creams, and then we have, ooh, their soft matte metallic lip cream, which I have not tried. I will definitely be swatching these for you guys right now, so let me go ahead and do that. I don't know what shades these are in. The metallic soft matte lip cream is in the shade California, and then the regular soft matte lip cream is also in the shade California, so that's super fun. Let's go ahead and swatch these. NYX rarely lets me down, especially with their lip colors, and these are no exception. They are absolutely gorgeous and incredibly pigmented. I just love it, and I love the smell of these products. They are awesome, and I really just love the color, the undertone of these lip colors. They are gorgeous and perfect for an everyday wear, in my opinion. And I feel like these are an all-season wear lip color, so very versatile as well. So even though they're in the winter box, and I just received the winter box, these are lip colors that I could totally wear all year round. And I'm wearing this dark lip color because even though it's way past spring, I knew I was doing a winter unboxing, so I wanted to kind of still be in the theme of winter in terms of makeup to go along with this unboxing. Again, these are really, really great lip colors, and I love the color, and I will link these down below. If I wasn't wearing such a bold lip right now, I would try them on, but I'm really excited to try the metallic soft matte lip cream because I have not tried their metallic line yet, but I obviously have tried the regular line, and it is really great. The last product in my Walmart beauty box for this season, is by Referral, and this is the Dry Therapy Hydra Silk Moisturizer. And I received so many of these in my Walmart beauty boxes, and again, I'm not a fan because of the ingredients. I'm just not a fan, and so I would be passing this along to somebody as well because it's a product that I just won't use. That is everything in my winter 2020 Walmart beauty box. It was a very disappointing box again this season, and I hate to be a Debbie Downer, but with my reviews, I always like to be honest with you guys, and the only thing that I'm really excited about are the NYX lip products, and that's literally it, and everything else I'll be passing along to friends and family. But I hope you guys enjoyed this winter Walmart beauty box unboxing and review. Let me know if you're subscribed to Walmart Beauty Box and what your favorite thing was that you received in your box. And if you have not received your Walmart Beauty Box for winter, stay tuned because they are shipping really, really late. Again, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!